goddamn bright today. They say human beings weren't meant to own mirrors. We weren't meant to look at ourselves this often. But at a time like this, I wish I could at least see myself in my own mirror. I don't recognize the person staring back at me. We were supposed to solve cases together. Help people together. Now look at me. I couldn't help you. I can barely help myself. I was so naive back then. I burn eggs. I couldn't cook a meal to save my life. Joey was always the better cook.
Hey, you've reached Johnny and Joey, brothers for hire.
Sorry we missed you, but leave your name and number and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.
Have a good day, and remember, we find the stuff you ain't even looking for.
Hey Johnny, it's Millie, again. This is the third time I've tried to call you now.
Millie Faust, the fire chief of Spring Hills. She was the first responder at my crash. And she was supposed to marry my brother, but who really cares?
There was nothing you could do. They pulled right out in front of you. I miss him too, you know. You don't have to go through this alone. Just give me a call back when you're ready, okay?
Johnny. Yo, Johnny, are you just standing there? How long have you been there?
I've been here the whole time.
What, are you afraid of losing?
Scared of losing you.
It's gonna be alright, Johnny. Now, come on, let's get cracking.